There is a big update about Catizen. In the future, Catizen will be available on Binance very soon. Plus, Catizen has increased its airdrop limit. The best part is, if you get $0.5 on a hammer coin, you could get $5 on a cat coin. I'm giving this example because Catizen's supply is going to be less than hamster, which means you'll get more profit. Also, people are more active on hamster and other platforms, and less on this one, giving you a chance for higher profit. First news is from Binance. Binance Research has published an article ranking Catizen second, indicating they are aware of this project. The second update is from Widget Wallet, a well-known wallet which has supported Catizen. In the top projects, notcoin is number 1, already listed and a big name. Catizen is second, followed by Hamster Combat at third. Big influencers, exchanges, and traders are supporting Catizen, indicating a strong team and backing. There was some doubt about Catizen showing two types of coins, one related to CAD, referred to as paw, and another related to fish. Now it's clear Catizen will have two types of currencies, kitty paw as the main currency, and fish for earning more rewards. Earn as much kitty paw as possible because the main airdrop will depend on it. Fish currency will help increase rewards in the game. 4. Maximum benefits. Level up your cats to earn more paw coins. Catizen is applying for Phase 3 of its plan, but is currently in Phase 2, where it will launch tokens and list on exchanges. Recently, Catizen has increased its airdrop limit from 35 to 40 and broke a record with 12 million users. Unlike other games where players are hesitant to spend money, Catizen has seen significant in-game purchases, increasing its value. Catizen's listing is expected in July, possibly on major exchanges, because Binance recognizes projects that can generate high trading volumes. Catizen's user base is willing to invest more, indicating higher trading volumes for Binance. If you haven't joined Catizen yet, the link is in the description. Subscribe for more news about tap-to-earn projects.